Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Chung. I'm back here to help you get through another project. The project that we're working on this week happens to be titled A Self-Portrait based on a book, The Day You Begin. Now in the slide stack I've included the story being read aloud and a copy of the cover, and you can see that through the book and the illustrations that these aren't realistic portraits. These aren't based on real. They're more of an adapted, or we call them stylized, almost a cartoon look. So you don't really have to worry so much about exactly drawing yourself and worrying exactly how your features or the eyes, nose, and mouth are on your face. It will become, I believe, more of a self-portrait by the colors that you choose, and then again by the words that we use around them. So what we're going to do is get started following the directions on the project. Like I said, I recommend going through all the slides briefly so that you see what we're up to or what the project's going to include. I often include a drawing guide. That's something that you can put up on your screen and look at the whole entire time you're doing the project, or you can go back and forth from slides to look at it. So when we're getting started, you're going to see that the first direction that our project tells us to do is begin with your paper horizontal. That would be the long way or sideways. We're going to take that paper and fold it in half, and we're going to be drawing our self-portrait really on half of the paper, and the other half we're going to be using to write some words about ourselves. So I'm talking about drawing only on this half, and we're going to draw a nice big U shape to represent our face. So start on one side, we're going down on the paper, bend the line. It's almost an upside down rainbow, isn't it? And then back up toward the top. That's my U shape for the face. Near the center of the U shape, draw simple eyes by making horizontal lines and a bent line, curved line, rainbow line. So there's my half circle kind of shaped eyes. Mine aren't really the exact same size, so good thing I drew with pencil, because pencil makes it so that I can go back and change lines or erase. I'm not going to take the time to explain how to erase to you all. I think you can figure it out. By putting the other curved line, it makes my eyes look like they're looking over to that side, which makes it kind of fun. You can, of course, make eyes the way you would like. These are your choices, so go right ahead. Now, halfway between the space of where the eyes are and the bottom of the face or chin is where your nose belongs. So right here in the center, you can draw a line or lines, a shape that you want to use to represent your nose. I kind of do a kind of a wibbly line there. Now, halfway between the nose and the chin again, we're going to draw lines that represent our mouth. So I like to give it a curved line, and then I like to add some additional detail lines so that it looks like I have some lips on there and a little line for underneath. You, again, can draw yours the way you'd like. I'm sort of following the lines as they're drawn on the handout. Next, it talks about ears. Remember, your ears are about even with your eyes. That way, if you wear glasses, your ears can hold those up. There we go. And remember, we still need this space up here for our hair. So our eyes go halfway between the space that is included in our head. So add my ears. Next, I'm going to add a neck and shoulders. Remember, your neck is attached to it. It's not a lollipop stick. So there's my neck. And now we need to give some kind of shoulders. Those are curved lines that kind of go the other direction. And then something that looks like some kind of a shirt. I think my neck looks too big. Again, good thing I drew with pencil. I can redraw it. Later I'll get my eraser. I'm afraid if I erase too much, it's going to cause the camera to jiggle. So that's why I'm not really erasing my lines right now. You can go ahead and add some round or half round lines. So there you go, the neck of my shirt. I've got that started. The final thing it says is to draw the hairline. That means the top of your hair and like the part that goes across your forehead. So my hair, it kind of parts on the side, and my bangs go across, kind of this way over here too. And then I have a round part of my head. My hair today, my hair's straight. Sometimes my hair's curly. And there I go. Now, all of this will become hair. Remember, I'm going to erase that line because I'm afraid to shake the table too much. So those lines are, my hair goes all the way to my neck if you look and have long hair. Boys might not have hair that's like that. So draw something that represents the way your hair looks. If you don't ever put your hair behind your ears, girls or boys, you might not have ears showing on your picture. Sometimes my hair is behind one ear, but not both. So maybe I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'm gonna erase one ear, and so I'll have hair behind one ear and hair in front of one ear. You think so? So there we go. There's my self-portrait.